Dream logic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can I like? Yes. There's no mess in here. Please don't arrest me. This is not my crime. I didn't do nothing. What the hell? What in the cry of fear, Looney Tune motherfucker? Oh, hell no. What? Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes. Oh. Wee. Haha. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good, very good spot. Oof. Just look at the emptiness. It's so great. It's so clean. Like so nice. What's in here? Hello? Oh, what is this? A keyboard? Ooh! 1 out of 7. What the? 1 out of 7 keyboards. Ugh. Are you serious? What the fuck? Can I jump? Oh, I can jump. They got the. Look at. That's kind of funny how it jumped. They're jumping like Gmod. Ah! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Fuck you guys. Dr. Roberts. President. Shut the fuck up! I'm fucking reading here! Shut up! Stop! Anyway. Dr. Roberts, President Myers, 1985, May 2nd. Generating many different options. Theoretically, the exit should merge with reality. The fuck? We have shown positive results. There are many other design errors like sealing, leakage. We will need more time to fix these problems to avoid people falling in. Let's go. We do a little trolling. I didn't even know I had a duck sound on the freaking this. Oh my gosh. You're happy about that, ain't you? Ah! Oh my god. Stop. No more ducks. No more. Enough. What the? Huh? To grab? Oh! Stop! Oh my gosh, you guys just really like doing the duck. And okay. Yeah. Meow. Yeah, okay. Now you do the cats. Well, another box, okay. Not sure what we need these for, but it's okay, I'll take it. It's not even Halloween and you guys are messing with me. It's not Halloween anymore. God. Why do you guys do that? Why are you guys doing that? Stop. Literally GTA, like, graphics. I mean, wait, no. Wait, no. No, wait, that's not what I meant. I meant Gmod. Gmod. Fuck. Wrong game. Oh shit. Wrong game. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm just really excited for GTA. I'm really excited for GTA, okay? God damn it. What the fuck? Alright. Okay. Oh, what? Oh shit. What the fuck? Alright, I guess I... Wild. Y'all are wild. Y'all are goofy. I'm pretty sure there's no entities here. Like on the game, like, cause there was a entity mode that I could pick, but I didn't really put anything. So, I mean, not that I know, you know, I don't know if there actually is an entity or not. I hope there isn't. I mean, you guys are clearly scaring the fuck out of me anyway. You guys are you guys are scaring me anyway. Like, I'm getting spooked regardless, you know. So I don't really need an entity. Oh my gosh, entity, because you guys are already scaring me. You guys are the entity. You guys are my you guys are my enemy. You're my enemy. My enemy. But dog, I'm tweaking. Holy shit, bro. Help me. Help me. Help me. Well, I guess I don't. Ah! Oh!